when you guys are looking for credit cards, there are things that you need to consider, okay? Are you making a big purchase? Do you need 0% interest for a certain amount of time? Do you need the rewards points? Are you going to go travel? Do you need travel points, cash back? What do you need? Because based on your situation and based on your goals, you are going to want to pick a card that goes with that. If you want to make a big purchase and you want to have some time to pay it off, a 0% interest for like 12-15 months would be the best card for you. Or do you want points, rewards points? You know, because on holidays time or Christmas time, you're going to want to do gift cards for your employees or for your customers or something like that. You know, you're going to want points or bonuses, you know. Or are you going to go for like travel or do an event outside of your local area? Then you're going to need travel points and travel cards. So all of this you have to keep in mind when you are picking a card. The Blue Cash Card, I like it for startups because when you're starting a business, as you guys know, like there's so many expenses that you have to do and have to put in to get the business going. So why not put it all up front on this card? You get your cash back and you also have time to pay off this card. So that's why I like it for startups. Yeah, this is an excellent card for startups. Plus, American Express is known to give higher credit limits. So you get to spend more money to start that business up and really, really make it fly.